All right, so we are now on section 2. So once you clicked the next button, it took you to section 2, and this section is all about our passage called Ancient Toothpaste. So can you already see a similarity between maybe what we're reading right now and what we just finished reading in section 1? So let's go back. I'm going to read this together with you, and I'll go ahead and tell you that at the end of this, we're actually going to fill out the chart that we went through together in section 1. So I want you to pay attention to sentences that have our comparison signal words in them. So that'll be either words that mean we're comparing two alike things or two different things. And here's a little trick for you. If you look up here, it says time words can make comparisons. Time words. So words like now, then, before, after. So look out for those words as well. So we're going to look out for our signal words, and then once we start filling in our chart, then we're going to worry about what the author is trying to say by using these. All right, so the title of our passage is Ancient Toothpaste by Tom Wiggins. Paragraph 1. People have always liked to have clean, white teeth. Today, we just squeeze some toothpaste onto a brush and start scrubbing. The toothpaste is made from sodium fluoride, which keeps our teeth strong. It also contains a whitener and flavoring. But toothpaste used to be very different. Now, friends, if we look at the very last sentence in our first paragraph, the very last sentence in our first paragraph, can you see a word that might be a good signal word? Keep that in mind. All right, paragraph 2. The first tooth cleaner was made in Egypt over 1,600 years ago. Like today's tooth cleaners, it was a paste. Unlike today's toothpaste, it contained mint and dried iris flower. It also contained rock salt and pepper grains. And instead of using toothbrushes, the Egyptians rubbed the paste on their teeth with a finger. So looking at our second paragraph, let's look for some signal words right now that we might see. I'm looking at our second sentence right here that says, like today's tooth cleaners, it was a paste. Do you possibly see a word in here that might be one of our signal words? I think the word like might be a pretty good clue that we're going to be comparing something. Let's read this again. Like today's tooth cleaners, it was a paste. So our tooth cleaners and ancient tooth cleaners were both a paste. So we are comparing two like things. And if we look in our next sentence, unlike. So now we know that we're comparing two different things. Unlike today's toothpaste, it contained mint and dried iris flower. Does your toothpaste have mint and dried flowers in it? I don't think so. So the author's telling us that we're comparing two different things. All right, so let's look at paragraph 3. Egyptian toothpaste also came in only one flavor, mint. Even with the mint, it tasted unpleasant and strong. Today, our toothpaste comes in many tasty flavors. We can choose from mint, cherry, and even bubblegum. Like our toothpaste, there's that word like again, ancient toothpaste did clean the teeth. So we can see with the word like, does our toothpaste clean our teeth? Yes. Did their toothpaste clean their teeth? Also yes. However, it was not very pleasant to use. It was painful on the gums. It sometimes made them bleed. Ow! Egyptians must have cared a lot about their teeth to keep cleaning them, even with all those problems. Oh man. All right, friends, so let's go back to our chart. And I'm going to go ahead and explain this to you. So this is what you're going to see in your page. So it's the exact same chart. And what you're going to do, I numbered our boxes. So when you're looking at this first row, you're going to see the sentence, the comparison sentence. I guess this one is 2 sentences. And box number 1 is signal words for this sentence. So let's do this one together. Like today's tooth cleaners, it was a paste. In that first sentence, what word do we see? I see the word like. That is one of my signal words. Unlike today's toothpaste, it contained mint and dried iris flowers. Do I have any signal words? In my second sentence, unlike. So you are going to type here with the question, what do you write in box 1? What you would write in box 1, your signal words for this row. And then box number 2, purpose of comparison. So let's see why did the author decide to do this? Like today's tooth cleaners, it was a paste. So I think I would write something like the author wanted to show that both modern and ancient toothpaste are alike because they are a paste. But that's not my whole answer because our second sentence says, unlike today's toothpaste, it contained mint and dried iris flowers. However, the author wants to show that they are different too. So you'll go ahead and just write what you think your purpose of comparison, so why the author chose to compare the two things the way that they did. And you're going to go ahead and do those same things, okay? So let's look at our box right here, our other comparison. Egyptian toothpaste also came in only one flavor, mint. Today, our toothpaste comes in many tasty flavors. So go ahead, think about your signal words. You're going to write your signal words right here in box 3. And then you're going to write why you think the author compared those. So something like the author wants to show what you think the author wants to show. And then this one is a little tricky. This one, they want you to find your own comparison. So I'm going to look back at your text and find one of those signal words. So my example that I would use would probably be this one. However, it was not very pleasant to use. So in box number 5 right here, I might write, however, it was not very pleasant to use. You can use my example, or you can pick a different example that has a signal word. You're going to pick out the signal word or signal words. And then finally, why? Why does the author compare these things? So I'm going to say the author wanted to compare these two things, and then I would write my answer. So that's what section 2 is, okay? It's just you answering this chart, all right? So you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 whole boxes to fill out, and I've helped you with a few of them, and I know that you guys are more than capable of doing the rest. And then once you're finished with filling out all your boxes and your answers, you're going to hit next. Great job.